Hi, students. So, your country and culture assignment is due Wednesday night at midnight. Let's just review the directions a little bit. All right, you open it up. Please remember you're choosing a country to write about, not a state, not a city, a country. First, you're going to write a brief background on the history. Obviously, whatever country you pick, the history could fill a book. What I'm looking for here is evidence that you've taken a little time to read about the background of the country. And then you just put a highlight in a paragraph. That just shows me you just took the time to read a little. And remember, the website you used, you put the link right in that answer, right below the paragraph. Question 2, geography and climate. Same thing. You're going to just write one paragraph. One website you can use is wikitravel.org, but just Google the country, find a website that you like. I'm open-minded about that. Now this one, more specific, there's a particular website I'd like you to use. When it comes to norms, folkways for communication, eye contact, personal space, this gets more into specifics of the culture. Okay, that's when you go to Culture Crossing Guide. You find your country in here. Example, imagine you were writing about India. When you pull up the page on India, you'll see something under basics. Greetings, communication style, personal space, touching, eye contact. Okay, let's look at gestures, for example. One usually always eats with the right hand, as the left hand is considered unclean. It's typical to remove shoes at a place of worship. And then let's see some other things. Let's do eye contact. Sustained eye contact is not generally the norm. Okay, so these are just what they call folkways, typical ways of doing things. Gives us some insight into the culture. Back to the questions. So read through, find some things that seem interesting to you, put it together in a paragraph. Make sure the website you used is there. Then the question of individualistic or collectivistic. We did talk about this a little in class. Individualistic means competitive, it's all about me. Collectivistic means it's about our community and the well-being of the community, the success of the community. So basically, to find a website, you put the name of your country and then individualistic or collectivistic. And a series of websites will come up. You scroll through a few, find one that's interesting to you, and then write a little bit about what you learned. Other ones, choose your own, do government, politics, healthcare, and same with question 6. Choose your own, you're just writing a paragraph. Always put the website in. A little more fun, a special holiday or celebration, how they celebrate it. And then the last one's meant to be fun. If you were going to spend one day, where would you go? What would you see? And what would you eat? Okay, that one's just meant to be fun. All right, email me if you have a question.